Yeah, I will.
Check 1, check 2.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is a very rainy, gloomy day right here in Cochin. I'm in my hall as you can see, and here we have my brother who is usually not this decently well behaved, but I guess it'll just take some time for him to warm up. So anyways, I know this filming setup is very different from what you're used to, but obviously this was the best we could do, okay? Now, as you might have seen from the title, what are we gonna do today, Joel? Oh, by the way, his name is Joel. Sorry, I didn't introduce you.
Hi.
This is my YouTube channel, Joel. Say hello to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Why are you being such a good boy? So unlike you.
Now I'm just thinking of what I'm going to do with the...
Are you stressed out?
Yeah.
Okay, first tell them what are we doing.
I think I'm going to do makeup.
And you didn't ask me what kind of makeup I want.
Oh, I don't know. There are different types of makeup.
Okay, there are many different kinds of makeup, Joel. What he wanted to do is...
This thing intrigues me.
So you never watch my video, huh?
I do.
So why is this intriguing you?
Because I'm going to be using this.
He wanted to put kajal and a bindi, and did you even say lipstick?
Just a little bit lipstick.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
That should bring out the actual beauty.
No. I wanted to do a glamorous makeup. And maybe we can even pull out a picture that I've already done. You know?
Nice. So I'm working with a picture.
No, you pick.
My.
That's not what we're going for. We're going for a party makeup, a heavy okay.
That looks simple enough if I get the initial whatever right pin.
This is what he's chosen. It's hot.
So do I use this first? What is this?
That is a foundation. Yeah, you
So
can use that
this
first.
Is that one?
Yeah.
Now I put this on this.
Yes.
And dab it on your face.
See, ideally I'm not supposed to help you out.
See, I don't know about this makeup thing.
So you can either put it on my face or on the back of your hand and then put it on my face.
Back of my hand.
And then you can pounce it, or you can put it on it and you can blend it. You can...
Let's see.
Why are you squeezing the water out? It's supposed to be damp.
Okay, so it's on my hand, right?
Yeah,
And
you
then,
can.
This side, which side?
Any side. Whoa, Joel! I'm already impressed. Wow, what? Okay, you're being pretty good with this. For someone who didn't even know what this black ball is.
So this goes all over the face, right?
Yes. Do you know what this thing is called?
Nope. Black ball.
It's called a beauty blender.
I see.
Wow. How are you so naturally good at this? Okay, alternate career option. Cyber security guy, come makeup artist. What?
Should I be going below your face?
You can if you see, you're the artist now.
No.
Satyam Bara, have you seen my videos?
Yeah, I have watched videos, but I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
But you know, Joel, more important than that is my forehead.
Yeah, I'll get there. See, this is the harder bit
Okay.
for me, so
Okay.
almost done with the. I guess to look up.
Are you seeing what a good job you've done?
So what about your eye? I mean eyelid. Do I?
Yeah. 10 on 10 for step 1. I shouldn't be helping you out, but I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, but okay.
Concealer.
Okay, so where does this go?
Oh, right. Number reference of iPoila.
Okay.
This is a reference.
Okay. So that's what you have to do
Yes, I will.
at the end.
I will.
Appa, I didn't makeup it.
Yes.
Okay. So what?
This is a concealer.
This goes on the no face.
You know what? I'm not gonna help you.
No, wait. What does this do? I don't even know what. See, I know what foundation does.
Okay.
Like gives a base layer to your face. So what does this do?
Do I have dark circles?
I have no idea. No.
Okay, then put it under my eyes. Okay.
Oh, it's like this. This is fake cover. No, take cover concealer. www.pack cosmetics. Pack cosmetics.
Yes.
Yes.
And the foundation?
That foundation is a glass bottle with forever, daily life forever for 52.
Okay. Good job! Come on, do it!
Is that too much?
No.
Is that enough?
You can't ask me too many questions.
See, at the end of the day, you have to be beautiful, not me. I can do anything. I can just on your face.
Yeah, you can do.
Yeah, but that's not the point, right? Now, am I supposed to use this again?
How else are you gonna blend it up?
I don't know. I could use my finger.
You can use your
Yeah,
finger.
but no. Then look up, I guess.
But if you want to get really professional, you don't even say words. You just, with the beauty blender, you just point up. Yeah, but don't smash my eye with it.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm not getting some points. Like.
So that's why you have a pointy end here.
Yeah, I tried that also.
No, you didn't.
See, is that too much?
No. I usually apply a lot more than this, so don't worry about too much. Walk me through your process.
I am walking through the process myself.
Just a quick tip. When you wipe, you're removing it.
Yeah.
When you pounce, you're blending
Yeah,
it.
I got it. I was trying to remove this extra bit here. I
Yeah.
don't think it's supposed to be there.
Oh my
Yo, bro!
Or maybe you're not.
Oh, this is another one.
It is another one. So artistic, Joel.
Before it dries, come back here.
I underestimated you, Joel. You are a man of many talents.
Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. I was just going to do this piece or bicep flex or something, but never mind. All that.
You did it all.
Yeah. Okay, so look at me. Okay.
Next is ideally to set. We say?
Set.
Set, we say? Powder.
Powder.
But you know what?
What?
I'm gonna bring a new product.
HT setting loose powder olive. Nika. What is this? Yeah, so this is
K-Beauty. Yeah, guys, this is a new colored setting powder by K-Beauty.
Okay. You open it, it looks something like that.
See, now you made me white.
Yeah. It's okay. Everything is fair in love, war and makeup. Is that the amount I'm supposed to be using or more?
This amount is fine for a light dusting.
I don't know if this is making much of a difference, but you be the judge of that.
It is making a difference. The fact that it doesn't show is what we need, ideally.
Then why apply in the first place?
Because it's not shiny anymore, see? My face. And also it will last a long time. Like every time I wipe my face and all that, the makeup will
Oh,
not
so
come
this
out.
powder makes the makeup stay?
Yes.
Okay, so are we done there with this?
Yes. Let's apply some blush. This was supposed to be my brother does my makeup challenge. It was a challenge. I wanted to see you fail, but here it's turned out into
Okay,
a
we can
tutorial.
we can do the challenge next time since now I know
a little bit, yeah.
bit, you know.
Yeah, it was unfair. Okay.
A blush duos
Duos by.
by Lakme Absolute. There you
If you open the lid, the glare will be gone. No,
Okay, so this is not a powder. So yeah.
it is a powder.
Okay, this is a very
Okay, never mind.
yeah. There you see it.
What color is it?
Peach. Oh, there are two shades.
No, I'm not asking you for what color this is. You have to say what color.
Okay, so this is made in India. This
No,
is
man, pink blush.
pink blush. See, I said okay. Pink blush. Focus.
Now take it.
So I see there are two shades. I don't know which one to use.
You can use one or the other or mix it up.
We'll just mix it up easier. Take a little bit like that. So we have some on the brush. And blush I think goes on the cheeks. So is that too little?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh my god, Joel. Next time I get ready, you're doing my makeup. See, there was an evil intention behind me teaching you how to do this, you see?
And there's some white on top also.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Atram blush madi. That's enough. That's enough of blush.
Okay,
Now
now.
step 5. Oh, there are many layers in this.
What? Yeah, first. Alright.
Okay, this looks like a tile. Glow Goals, Shimmer Brick by Nika. Good old gold. Yeah, see it? No? Yeah, no? Come into focus. Get out of your face. Somewhere there. Okay.
Yes, and
Okay,
this
so-
is the brush I'm gonna give
Okay, so
you.
this is for.
My
yeah, just
face.
above your cheek.
Yes, that's called a highlighter. To show them what you're doing.
Okay, I'll just take one line. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Oh shit! Now I have to get that same line right. Wait, stop smiling. Is it too much on this side?
Yeah, you're putting more. Oh, you're adding more. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I just want to even it out.
Okay.
How do I take it out? Okay, so we won't add more.
Just bounce on top. That also blends it.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, look at me. It's not that good. So next.
Eyebrows.
Oh, nice.
Do it.
All right. Eyebrows is that eye pencil thing, right?
Joel, which part of your face is the eyebrow?
Eyebrow is this, but why do I have like a silverish, brownish?
It's not silver, it's just light brown.
This is not light brown.
You have to.
Focus, focus. Focus down. This is not light brown.
That is light brown.
So I just make it on top, just like that?
Yeah, you can't go under my brows.
No, I'm just.
And in the meanwhile, let me show you. Guys, I made this painting for Shweta. Look at that. That's her and a baby. Isn't that beautiful? I wasn't talking about my... I wasn't self-praising my abilities to draw. I was just saying the whole moment. Shit, somebody made a mistake. Yeah, so I'm going to be giving this to her today. In case you're into paintings and stuff, I'll have, me creating this and everything on my Instagram in the highlights. And a lot of you have been really...
supportive?
Yeah, supportive about this painting. The very first video that I uploaded on YouTube, like say 9 years ago probably, was a painting video, I didn't ever think that I wanted my channel to be a beauty video. Coming back to like, a lot of you have been really, really supportive on Instagram, so I want to thank you all for that. A lot of you want to buy my painting and I'm really like...
So I'm somewhat done with this thing.
The eyebrows?
I don't know how much it worked.
Joel, you're pretty extra bushy. We became Cara Delevingne here, and here it's very natural.
Okay.
You can wipe it off just like this, Done. If we went as per the image, you had to do a very intricate graphic liner, which I probably don't.
Oh, this is the graphic liner?
No, this is the... You want to do that?
What am I supposed to do? Let's go for it. All in, man. Wait, this goes where?
The whole black line is that. Then this line. And then this line. Just a heads up, it's even difficult for me.
Let's go. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Okay, wait. So how do I take off some excess if there is?
I'm so relaxed right now, I think I'll fall asleep.
And so what about this thing here?
Oh yeah, that you have to do this, but you have to be very careful, okay? Don't poke me in the eye. Nee secret in practice.
Yeah. My night job is a makeup artist on the body.
Is this what you do in your bedroom all night?
Yeah.
After
That's
we all go
exactly what I do while watching Friends.
He's sitting and practice. Guys, how is he doing this with his left hand for the very first time?
Okay, just don't close up the eye. Because that's not a good job.
But, come on. For a first time, look at that. Wow, a round of applause. You have to put kajal inside my waterline.
Good luck. Oh shit. And this is sharp. Earth Rhythm, all day single,
Smudge.
all day smudge free, Kohl pencil. Okay, you can't, okay, just trust me on that. That's what it says.
Yeah. The liquid liner, guys, what he uses is the Lakme Absolute Shine line. That's the only liquid I have at this point.
So this might actually
Blind
hurt
me?
the one you love. Are you sure?
Do you know how much trust I'm placing in you? Oh my god.
Do you know how much trust I'm placing in myself right now?
Okay.
Oh, this is intricate artwork, man.
Yes. And this is the only thing you wanted to do. Kajal.
No, actually, I wanted to do the more Indian version where there's a small bowl of black stuff and you just take it with a small pinky and go. Plink, plink.
I don't even have that thing.
So this is how much you want, or do you want more?
You can put more. Okay, this I'm actually scared.
Why? This I'm not scared.
Because this, with the kajal, you actually really can't hurt me. With this, you actually really can hurt me because the bristles can be quite sharp.
Mascara is just for the eyelashes, right?
Yeah, just the lashes.
So wait, what about the thing under, like there was something under your eye. So what was that?
That was eyeshadow. Do you want to get into that?
No.
Okay.
Let's just Van Heusen? Lakme Absolute.
Van Heusen. All my Malayali folks out there, doesn't he look like Asif Ali now with this beard and his hair?
Just look at me.
Look at you.
No, face-wise.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you need to look there, somewhere there.
It's so scary to see the mascara one right in your eyeball. And then, we only have one more step remaining after this.
What's that? Wash it off?
Lipstick. Ta-da! Okay, so I've taken two options of lipsticks for you. One is like a brown and one is like a red. What do you feel will suit this look?
Red? Don't you think?
Yes, go for it.
Okay, that's not right, but... yeah, there's some on top.
Really not bad. Oh shit, I wanted to try the new Nykaa lipsticks. Okay, you know what? We're gonna apply another layer of lipstick on top of this lipstick.
Oh.
So Nykaa just came out with this whole new matte luxe lipsticks. I haven't really tested it out for for their longevity. So all these colors we have, I think they have 16 colors. Pick a color, Joel. He picked the color vintage. I really like I really like that outer packaging and everything. And this is what it looks like inside. A very luxe feeling, actually. Feels heavy as well. Come back over here. Oh, thank you for your hand.
Yeah, it's much easier to apply this. And that's it, I'm done with lipstick. All that.
There we have it, guys. This is the final result. I'm super impressed.
Okay, just leave the eye swan goose duck thing. That. Yeah.
Okay, so you have any final thoughts on makeup, Joel? Like, the art of makeup. Do you think it's that easy? Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's overrated? Do you think it's underrated? Do you think it's unnecessary? What do you think?
Once you get the hang of the sequence of things, I think it's not that hard.
Okay, you have special talent. So anyways, thank you so much for coming on my channel, Joel. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video and if you liked my brother, please don't forget to click that
Thumbs up and like button.
yes. And if you haven't subscribed already,
Subscribe now.
is there anything else you want to say?
I love you.
Who?
You, all of you.
Ooh, all right then. Okay then, bye.
Bye-bye.